I'm so impressed with this piece of luggage from level 8. So it comes in a cardboard box in this bag, which may seem silly, but I store our luggage in the garage. And to keep this bag and put it inside this in the garage just protects it and keeps it looking nice, which is important because this is a beautiful piece of luggage. Let me show you. Here's what the bag looks like. It is impressive. I mean, this is a beautiful piece of luggage. Look at this guy. It's a nice blue color. This material is sturdy, super sturdy. So first of all, you see it's got the locks that are TSA approved. You have the codes you can easily set. You can easily change those. Look at the detailing. Level 8 is the brand, like I mentioned before. Then here's the top. There's another handle, which is a good point. You've got sturdy handles on the side and on the top, depending on how you need to carry it. Nice instruction manual. That is beautiful. Show you that again. Look how nice that action is. My current piece of luggage, that's worn out. So that's like music to my ears. So let me show you how beautiful it looks on the inside. So I'm going to click these guys and then it opens up and the quality continues. Look at that. I mean, this is a beautiful piece of luggage. So you've got Velcro here, and then you can open up this side. So that's very nice when you want to keep things in place. You've also got this guy that helps hold things in place. So you could put that down, and then the strap goes on top of that. Now, this is also a nice touch because you've got the zippered part here. So you can put things in here that you want to keep separate. And again, it's just quality material. It's not flimsy. It's just nice material. Then on the other side, it is completely zippered. Yeah, that's right. So it's zippered in place. So if you really want to hold something in place, this will be the side to do it. And then again, you've got more pockets. You've got a pocket here, and this looks like it would be waterproof. So if you're worried about something leaking, hopefully you don't have to worry about that. But you can put it in here, put your liquids in here, and then you got another zippered pocket here. You see the nice touch? It comes with these moisture protectant things. And the zippers, the zipper quality is super nice. Just beautifully made. Such an impressive piece of luggage. And, oh, by the way, it comes with a toiletry kit. Also, very nice material. Nice detail, says level 8 there. And you open this guy up. Ooh, look at those zippers. That's like a waterproof zipper. Oh, so many nice touches. And then look on the inside. So you've got the little hook here. So if you're one of those people that likes to hang up your stuff in the bathroom, you are all set. Again, you've got another nice, oh, look at that. Another nice waterproof bag. And it's clear. Holy smokes. Think about that. When you get to TSA and they say pull out your liquids, you are all set. Wow. If you can't tell, I am blown away by this piece of luggage. And, oh, by the way, I didn't show you how it rolls. Well, let's pack it up so you can see that. Nice touch, quality. And it's so easy to do. I didn't have to do a zipper all the way around. It's just the latches. And look at the seal there. So impressive. Now let's check out the wheels. So it is 4-wheel spinner. So you can spin it. You can roll it like this, or you could tilt it if you wanted. Freaking awesome piece of luggage. I recommend it.